Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae, bringing you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. So today I'm going to show you this 4-room resale at Swee Road. Okay, my carpenter is going to start the installation today. So along the way I'll show you more progress. Okay, keep watching and I'll see you later. Okay, so these are the few carpentry works that haven't been installed yet, or my carpenter haven't started any installation yet. Okay, so these are all the carcass. So as you can see, the carcass interior is light grey internal. Okay, of course for PVC, these are all PVC. So for PVC, there are many types of grains and colors or wood grains that you can choose. Okay, so I've chosen this light grey one that goes very well with most of the laminate color. Okay, so later this part here, there's going to be some cabinet to block out this entire kitchen. So right now it's very open, but it's not going to be like that later. And I just want to show you this very nice marble grain. Okay, so this is porcelain tiles from Hafari. And you can see that it has got this very natural grain, although some of them will be repeated, but you can always tilt them upside down, whichever way you want, so that you don't get repeated patterns on the wall itself. And this is the so-called the yard area. So for this unit, it's very odd in the sense that over here there's a WC, and I added this shower area, and because of the space constraint inside this bathroom, the vanity has to be shifted out here. So this is a good size vanity, which is about 800, and this unit has another bathroom which is over here. Okay, so this bathroom is like end of this passageway, smack in between the 3 bedrooms. So over here is just a shower, okay, without any WC. So strictly for shower. Of course, there used to be a basin inside here, but we have shifted all the way back to that yard area. At the kitchen side, you can see that there's a low wall. So this low wall, later behind, there's going to be a 2-panel sliding doors. Okay, and it's going to rest onto this box up area. There's all the false ceiling box up, or the drop ceiling here, right? That is actually above the countertop. There's a countertop here. Okay, so this countertop stores the washing machine, dryer, vacuum robot, and a fridge. Okay, so everything will be in this row. Other than that, I think I'll show you more later where my carpenters have already installed some of the carpentry works. Okay guys, this is the second day of the installation. So today I'm going to show you the progress of the carpentry works. Okay, so what they have installed so far is the kitchen. Okay, so the base cabinet, right, there's a side panel here. Okay, there's going to be the countertop here, haven't installed yet. There's also some cabinet over there, not installed. Okay, this is the shoe cabinet, and then there's a suspended TV console over there. Okay, my carpenter is doing the installation right now. Okay, and over here, the 3 wardrobes carcass have been installed. Okay, so this is the master. So on the left of this wardrobe, there is this door that opens up this way. So this is like a door with mirror at the back, so that they can use this like a dresser area. So what you need to do is to have a little bit of space here to cater for the storage here, and it doesn't really affect the width of the overall. Okay, because this is only about 200. Okay, the depth is about 200, so it doesn't really eat too much into the wardrobe space. Okay, over this side here is one of the common bedroom. So the wardrobe carcass also has been installed. And if you look at this one, it's all grey PVC finish. So usually after installation, let the carcass just breathe a little bit or air it. If you have installed the doors already, just open up the doors and just air it. So just air it, and right now I don't feel anything, right? It's been aired for 2 days already. So I don't feel anything. You know, my eyes are not tearing. Okay, I'm not having a difficulty in breathing. Okay, so right, just air it for about 2 to 3 days. Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm going to show you this completed project at Swee Road. Okay, as you know, Swee Road is a very old estate. Okay, so most of the walls are not really straight. So this is the thing that you have to take note of when you purchase a flat like that, because you will encounter slanted walls and slanted ceilings when you install the carpentry works. Okay, so let's step into the unit itself. So once you step in, it's actually the living and the dining, and it has got this kitchen. But initially there was this wall here that is being blocked, so I hacked away everything and created some storage here. So this is the counter area where the wall has been demolished, so it's an open kitchen concept. So over on the right hand side here is actually lots of storage. Okay, this is all bifold door, which my carpenter is going to install soon. And over here is the living area. So the living area is a feature wall and a TV console with some storage here. Okay, so this is basically the shoe storage. Nothing fanciful, right? It's just some storage internal. So as you walk along towards the passageway, that's where the kitchen entrance is. Okay, so at the kitchen, I've designed this side panel, and then there's one more side panel there. So that's basically to create the entrance towards the kitchen, and also behind this side panel is the fridge. So let's take a look here. Okay, so this is the space for the fridge. So at this counter here, it's quite a good depth, about 90 cm. So this space here, you can actually have your microwave oven here. Okay, at the bottom here is a washing machine and a dryer. Okay, and then this door, which houses the vacuum robot. Okay, so there's a drainage pipe for the vacuum robot and another one for the dryer. So it's quite a good space. You can store in the entire vacuum robot with the base itself. Okay, and over here is just one straight base cabinet without the top cabinet, because you can see I've selected this very realistic marble porcelain tiles for the backsplash, and I also follow suit with the sintered stone. Okay, so just nice that the sintered stone has got this almost the same color and pattern with the tiles. So at the bottom is just the base cabinet, on top is just the box up. So there's some piping inside, so this box up helps to conceal some piping. Okay, over here is a low wall. After the low wall is this 2-panel soft closing sliding door. There's one more fixed panel here that is going to be installed soon. Okay, there's one more. So all these are fluted glass. Okay, so the handle is here. You open, very smooth. So why I have this sliding glass door is because I wanted to segregate the yard area from the kitchen. Okay, so over here basically we'll be doing some hanging of laundry, and also here as well. So this sliding door can help to conceal the mess a little bit. So for this unit, okay, the space is really tight, especially at the bathroom area. So my client wanted to have the WC. Definitely there's only one WC, okay, and If your basin is here, then you can't have a shower. Okay, so I've shifted the vanity out to this area here, where there's still ample space for this vanity. Okay, so on top there's this mirror with some storage. Okay, and of course this part here is going to be boxed up. There's some piping inside, so all this will be boxed up with doors that can open up. Okay, so the vanity cabinet is at the bottom. So it's always advisable to have the rubbish chute wall tiled up to prevent molds and moisture. So I think it also look nicer this way. The walls are all tiled up. Let's go to the bedrooms area. Okay, before I step into the bedrooms, okay, this is another bathroom. The space is quite narrow, a bit longish but quite narrow. So the shower will be here. So in order to store your shampoo and whatnot, I created a niche here. Of course, you can still put your shampoo on top here, but I think this one is quite an interesting feature. Okay, your shampoo here, then on top you can put some plants. Okay, top one window you can't change. That's why this low wall can't do full height. Okay, so I just leave it at a low height shampoo niche wall. Okay, so on the right will be the master bedroom. Okay, all the bedrooms are of similar sizes, plus minus a little bit. Okay, so what my client will buy is a bed, okay, and then a side table. So I've created just a headboard, right, a built wardrobe, and then recessed storage. Okay, because this part here there's a protruding column, so I just box it up with some curved corner or curved edges. So all this will be painted. Okay, the doors are custom, so I follow throughout using the same laminate, just that the knob hasn't been installed yet. Okay, same for the door frame. It's the same lamination throughout the entire apartment. Okay, so this is another common bedroom. There's also just a wardrobe and a headboard. So this one belongs to the son. And over here is a headboard with two niche at the back, a big wardrobe, and then a TV wall. Okay, they are still installing. This opening is for the TV bracket to be installed on the wall. Okay, then the TV will be outside. Okay, at the bottom there will be some switches cover. Okay, so I hope you have learned something today. Okay, I'm still waiting for the owner staff to move in furniture. Okay, so once it's all delivered, I'll do another video with a walkthrough, okay, to show the completed design. So remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and at the same time also watch all my other videos. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video.